Hi guys, Casey here. In this video, unbox natin itong Logitech mouse model G304 that I bought from Shopee. Ito ang pinili naming model for our gaming setup. Kung interested kayo, make sure to check the product link in the description down below. Double check natin ang laman ng package natin or item checklist. Make sure that you have the following: the mouse itself, free battery, cord, stickers, and instructions manual. The USB receiver is hidden sa compartment sa harap ng mouse nyo where you place your batteries. Okay yan for safekeeping para hindi nawawalan ng receiver. Just doing a quick update on the giveaway that I posted on May 3. So 2 months siya. The giveaway product will be the laptop stand SL709. So as promised, I'll be picking the winners. I use Woobox to pick the YouTube comment. So we have 6 comments right here. These 2 are invalid because the person is from India, obviously. Let's see. So yes, we have a winner right here, si Dave. So once this video is uploaded, I'll be replying to the YouTube comment, and please message me on Instagram on your details so mapapadala ko ito. So yun lang naman. Please subscribe to catch other giveaways.